friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So today's video is my latest Apocalyptic Beauty, oops, I'm throwing things, subscription bag unbagging and try on. In case you are new to this video, Apocalyptic Beauty is an indie brand and they also offer a monthly subscription service where they send you, it's usually 4 to 6 products from their brand. They have things ranging from loose shadows to highlights to blushes, bronzers, gloss, liquid lipstick. I've gotten metallic liquid lipstick, glitter. I've gotten quite a variety of things from them in my probably year and a half of using their stuff. And it's a lot of fun. I believe it's $14 a month in the US. I don't know what it is international off the top of my head. If you shop on their site, you can use my code beautbean to save money. It doesn't work for the service, but it does work for other products. I don't get money, but I do get store credits. I think I covered everything. Probably not. I usually always forget something. I will say this is actually going to be my last bag. I know it's gonna sadden a lot of you because a lot of you really look forward to this video, but I just figured going into the new year, I was looking at our expenses and things like that, and while it's not an expensive subscription, I was just trying to piece by piece little things here and there where we can take off. I really just want to work on saving money. Don't worry, I'm not going on like a no buy or a low buy or anything like that, but I just want to be more conscious going into the new year, just kind of start fresh, you know? I don't know why I'm rambling about this. I just feel like you wanted an explanation, or you would want an explanation. But yeah, this is going to be my last one. I've had fun paying for it for the last year and a half, close to 2 years. I'm still going to use their stuff. Their setting sprays are my favorite setting sprays in the world. Their glitters are so cute. A couple of their highlights are my favorite highlights ever. There are plenty of things from them I'm still going to use, so don't worry. You'll still see their stuff pop up on my channel. You just won't see the subscription service anymore from me. I am happy I was able to introduce the subscription to a lot of you. I know that a lot of you are having a lot of fun with it. You show me pictures and it's just a great time. So I can't wait to see what else the other months are. If you guys continue with it, feel free to share them with me. This month's theme is Ghostly Glamour, and we got 5 things. The lip product we got is called Resurrection Mary. It's a tinted shimmer balm, and it looks like this. Oh, it looks like everything's blue toned. That's very cool. That's very perfect for December. This is technically November's bag, but it seems like it goes good with December. Looks like this. Oh, that smells really good. I like the scent of that. I will put that on. Actually, I could probably just put it on now. Let me wipe off my lip mask. I shouldn't have put that on. Let's see what it looks like. Makes me look a little cold, but it's kind of cute. And it feels really nice. I'll probably just use this as my lip mask today, let it sink in, and then by the time I'm done with my makeup, I will put a regular lipstick on. So you just get to look at blue-mouthed Betty Jean for a little while. We got a glitter. I love their glitters. This is called Paranormal Cold Spot. I can't really swatch glitter for you, but it's just a bunch of white and silver-based glitter, lots of little snowflakes. It's really, really cute. I can't wait to put that on. It does specifically say on the card, skin safe, but it's not intended for use on the eye area. I personally will probably put this glitter around my eye, but use at your own discretion. I'm not telling you to use it on your eye. It's saying don't use it on your eye. I'm just being a rebel. I actually didn't see this one because I usually just like glance at it. I thought this was an eyeshadow, so I could know what to not put on my face. I didn't realize this was a setting powder, but to be honest with you, I'm very picky with setting powder and I have to film another video after this and I have to work all day. I don't have time to have a setting powder not work for me. We got a setting powder. It's called Silent Screen Starlit. It looks like just a translucent setting powder. I'll probably just save this to give away to someone just because, like I said, I'm really picky about setting powder, so I'm not going to use this today. I'm sorry I forgot to include it, but like I said, I have a lot of things to do today. I can't risk it not working. Renate, you're making a lot of noise. You're being a bad girl. And now you're looking really cute. You're a brat. And then last we got 2 shadows. This one is called Dreams to Ash. When I swatch these shadows, I like to swatch them blank and then I like to put my NYX glitter primer down and swatch them again, just because I've said a million times, I feel like these shadows perform the best when they're over a glitter primer. They just pop so much more. They're just a little lackluster without, and now there's a cat hair on my eye. I blame you, Kanade. Well, let's do Dreams to Ash. This is described as an ash gray with blue duochrome. Just pop it right here. Yeah, I can see it. It looks very icy. Ashy, but still kind of blue. We'll see how it looks with glitter primer and on the eye. Sometimes glitter primers don't, I mean, duochromes don't do great over glitter primer, but we will see. And this next one and the last one is Into the Light. It's described as a golden pale blue. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, even without glitter primer, that's really pretty. That has such a pretty shift. I don't really know how I'm going to use both of those across my eye. Maybe I'll lay this one down first and top it with that. We'll just have to see. I'm just going to take my NYX glitter primer now. I'm going to take a little dot of it and just run it across this portion of my hand here to get it nice and tacky. Going to take that Dreams to Ash shade again and just pop it right over the glitter primer, if I can even get some on my finger. There we go. Oh yeah, that pops a bit more. Do you see how much more that pops versus without? That's crazy. And now let's take the Into the Light shade. Oh wow, that's magical. Wow, that pops so much. This might be my favorite shadow I've ever received from Apocalyptic Beauty. That's just absolutely stunning. Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I'm going to prime my eye with my Smashbox Lid Primer in Lights, and then we're gonna create a look. I don't really know what we're gonna do yet. Again, I don't really know how I'm gonna pair the duochrome and that shimmer together. Maybe I'll use the duochrome as an inner corner highlight. That could be really pretty too. But we will see. I'm probably gonna use my Menagerie Whale Song palette to help me just because there's lots of pretty blues that I feel like would look good in the crease. So yeah, well, let's create a look. Alrighty, hello again. Let's create a look. I think I'm gonna start by just swirling this Cetacean shade all through my crease, and I guess probably blow it out on my lower lash line. I think I'm probably going to place my glitter in my outer corner because I like that look. It's one of my favorite glitter placements. Oop, I forgot how pigmented these shadows are. Let me tap my brush off. But we'll see. We'll see. What are you guys up to? I'm just getting ready for my day. Like I said, I'm filming another video after this and then I'm working all day long. I'm in heavy pre-film mode. I'm sure I've mentioned it, but I leave on a week-long cruise with Zane's family on the 14th, I think. My last day here in this home is on the 14th, and then we leave for a week. And I'll be back right before Christmas, so I'm pre-filming every day, many times a day, so that I can have a video up every day for the month of December. So that's what I'm working on currently. I love this color, it's so pretty. Cute! Okay, so now I want to deepen this shade up with Breaching, this really dark blue. I'm going to be using this Kaleidos S5. I want to tuck this really close to my lower lash line as well as pack it in the outer corner. That is pretty much what I was thinking. That's such a pretty shade. Now I'm going to take this Anastasia dual-ended brush and I'm going to take just a tiny bit of dive. There's already a lot of pigment going on in my eyes, so I just want to be very gentle. I'm holding the end of my brush so I'm not using a lot of pressure. I just want to lightly start smoking this out just so it's a softer gradient. I'm going to take my first brush, no additional product, just to really start blending out this edge as well. Everything is looking so pretty. I love these tones of blue. I had a feeling these blues would be perfect for this look. And I was right. Very, very cute. So now we're going to start working on those really pretty shimmers. I really, oh, I don't know. Do I want the duochrome across the lid? I think I'm going to start by putting the duochrome across the lid, and then if I don't like it as much, I will top it with the sparkle, because I could also just put the sparkle on the underneath. I'm going to start by putting the duochrome all across. I think I'm going to regret it if I don't try. I'm going to take the packing side of that Anastasia brush and some of my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to do this kind of cut creasy, but I also don't care if it's not that precise, because this isn't a flat brush. Just getting as precise as I'm able to. And then I'm going to dip right into that shade with the same brush and just start packing it. And I'm trying to be very gentle with how I'm packing it because I want to try to avoid getting a bunch of fallout on my face. This shade's pretty. I just feel like my lids could look like so much more if I top it with that shimmer. Because it's cute. but it's nothing revolutionary. I will pop this in my inner corner though. Just because why not? I might even top a regular highlight on top of it. I like this color, but I guess it's just not my favorite. I feel like when I want a duochrome, I want a really reflective, bright duochrome. This one's just, it's a little too flat. It's not bad, it's just not enough for me. So I'm gonna take a little bit more glitter primer on the same Anastasia brush. I just wiped it off a little bit. And I'm going to just tap a little more glitter primer over top just so that sparkle can really glow. And again, I want kind of cut creasy, but I don't care that much if it's not perfect. Dipping right into that pretty sparkle. Oh, it's so cute. Oh yes, I'm happy with this decision. It's so insanely sparkly, like it looks like I'm wearing glitter on my eyes. It's just so cute. Using less product as I'm getting to this outer corner just so it can fade. I'm gonna flip the brush over just so it can all mesh together. I feel like it literally looks like I have glitter on my eyelids. It's so cute. That's so pretty. This shade alone makes this bag so worth it for me. That's such a pretty color. Well, I want to do some glitter and stuff, but let me finish my eye look first. I'm going to highlight my inner corner just over top of that duochrome with the same thing I highlighted my face with. It's from Melt Cosmetics. It's Morningstar. I just got it in the mail yesterday, and so far I like it. It's cute. It's not the most blinding highlight in the world, but for just a really soft glow, it's cute. And I got it on sale for Black Friday. That feels a little bit better. I don't know really what I want in my waterline just yet. I'm just gonna catch this eye up to speed, figure out what I want in my waterline, and then we will do the glitter together. All right, I'm back with identical eyes. I still haven't put anything in my waterline yet just because I can't decide between blue or silver. I might end up just doing both. I wiped off that Anastasia brush and I'm gonna use the more clean side and I'm gonna take my NYX glitter primer. Where did I put it? Guys, why do I lose everything? My table in front of me is not even that big. It should not be a problem. But I'm just gonna do my glitter thing. I have some glitter primer, actually I have a little too much. Gonna wipe half of that off. And I'm gonna tap it in this outer corner of my eye and do like a glitter outer corner. It's like my favorite thing. I think it's so cute. I used to do this every day. Not every day, but most days. Just gonna start laying down some of this glitter, just kind of sporadically. I like it to be pretty everywhere. And again, I'm not advising you to put glitter on your eye because it says not to. I'm just not gonna listen. I like to make sure I have some teeny pieces to kind of put closer in. You can't really fade glitter because glitter is glitter. It doesn't blend, but we can try. I need a little bit more. So I like to have some come down underneath as well. Oh, I lost my snowflake. Go back where you belong. I ended up picking a few pieces off because I felt like it was getting too big and I like it to be a little more just there. But here we have it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I will finish off my look and I will tell you my details in a minute on the rest of the look. All right, this is the look complete. I feel like an ice queen. It's very cute. I ended up going with just my silver eye pencil from NYX, the Platinum, I think is what it's called. Yeah. This was like one of the best suggestions I've ever received to buy that. It's so pretty. It just makes your eyes look so sparkly. I went with the white mascara from ColourPop on my lower lashes too. I just felt like it went with that icy vibe. My lashes are still Next Level from Bold Face Makeup. These lashes hang on forever. My Bold Face Makeup lashes I think are my #1 favorite brand. And on my lips I ended up topping that lip balm with the Pale Baby from Pop Beauty. I just wanted a pale nude. What's new with me? I love this look. I feel like this was a really good final bag. Granted, it's honestly hard for me to even say that because I didn't really use the setting powder because I'm going to give that to somebody else who I think might enjoy it. I don't love this duochrome and the lip balm's just kind of whatever, but I feel so good about this glitter and that shadow that made it so worth it for me. Sometimes you just need a couple really good gems in a bag to make it worth it. I had a lot of fun with this. I hope you guys have enjoyed these videos from me. I hope you aren't too sad that I'm not going to continue with them. I just can't anymore, you know? You can only do something for so long and then until you need to switch it up. But yeah, if you made it to the end, leave me some snowflake emojis. I think that would be cute. And if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every day in December. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.